Hi, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And this card is a stepped up card we did from one of the simple stamping cards. And I want to show you how to do this fun and easy card. What we're going to be using is we are going to be using Quite Curvy stamp set, actually the whole bundle. We are going to be using Memento Black, Cherry Cobbler. We are going to use a bunch of Regal's markers. We are going to be using the Stamp and Emboss machine. We are, as I said, we're going to be using the Curvy die. The Curvy dies, the one that cuts out, where is it? One that cuts out the leaves. So the first thing we're going to do is, and we're going to be using Whisper White note cards and envelopes, and we're going to be using the Stampin' Dimensionals. So the first thing we're going to be doing here is we are just going to be stamping. Let me grab my, where is it? We're going to be stamping the leaves on the card. Oh, and we're going to be using probably about 5.5 by 4.25 piece of Whisper White to stamp the extra. I'm just going to stamp this here and stamp this here. Then with Cherry Cobbler, I'm going to stamp the You're 1 in a Million inside. Just like that. And then I'm going to come back to I'm going to take my Whisper White, and I'm just going to stamp this a couple more times. There it is. Dog. Now you can color this now, or you can cut it out and then color it. I find I cut them out and then I color them when I'm watching TV. Okay. Should have did it with the Stamparatus there. No. Should have did it with the Stamparatus. And then we are going to be coloring these. You can cut these out just like that. And this is what it looks like. I've already colored some of these in here, because I know you don't want me to spend, all that time just coloring in front of you, because that's so boring. And again, I just do a bunch of these and cut them out and do them like on a good football day or something like that. Watch a movie. And then I'm just going to take my Stampin' Dimensionals. And the reason I stamp, some people say, well, you could just put them on without stamping. I like to have that little touch underneath in case it just shows through. It just almost shows through like a shadow. And then you know where to put your saying. Have you noticed that the dimensionals are getting harder to take the little backs off? There we go. And if some of these hang off, just take your snips. And snip them off. There you go. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and I would appreciate it if you purchase your Stampin' Up! Products from me, and all the information to make this and all the supplies are listed below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.